looking at what emerged from both the panel discussions in the morning, I think there are 4 or 5 key themes on Nevertheless that we need to work. The first one, and I think very, very clearly has come out, is that inclusion needs to be made to happen. So where all do we need to make it happen? How do we make it happen? The second one, more importantly, in the context of public spaces and transport, but even in other spaces, is really multi-stakeholder understanding. How do we get different people together in ways that we can understand each other? And I think that's the next set of challenges. The third one, and I think that's equally going to be important, which is how do we get to change the mindsets of everyone and anyone who's out there looking at employment, education, anywhere around disability, persons with disability. Okay? How do we make that happen? Fourth one, there are a lot of you in this room, and CC has been talking about the power of the youth. But more importantly, how do we align personal purpose to collective purpose? Yeah? That to me is a question that each one of you sitting in this room, whatever way you commit, whatever you want to do in Nevertheless, how do I align that personal purpose with the collective purpose? Clearly you can see inclusion is a long-term agenda, and any long-term agenda requires sustained, collaborative processes. 5 years is a long journey. All of you sitting in this room, how far you can travel with Nevertheless, we don't know. But wherever you travel, however long that journey is, whichever station you choose to get off, remember that the journey was done together. And I think that's important. And last, on this fine morning, I have just one note of regret. The note of regret is that I've always been proud of Bangalore City. I've been proud of our entrepreneurship and capability. I've been proud of many things that we brought. But yet, what a tragedy that a city like Bangalore does not have deep enough pockets to welcome initiatives of this kind. For this Nevertheless initiative of 18 months, not a single penny has been received from anybody. Everything that has come to partners who've given in kind. Like somebody once told me, you can't live on love and fresh air. Quite like that. What has been amazing has been the spirit of volunteerism that is coming in, not volunteerism. Volunteerism, I've had a lot of difficulty. It's a very American concept, give your time, give your space, give some, yeah? Volunteerism, which Gandhiji spoke about. I think what we saw on this campaign was a spirit of volunteerism. How do we build that spirit of volunteerism as a part of the ongoing journey of Nevertheless? I seek people in this room, go back, whatever ways you can support this movement, please do it. And on that note, a very, very big thanks to each and every one of the panelists sitting in this room.